Credit tips, how to have the best credit. Number one, pay your bills on time. How you pay other people is going to have an immediate and the biggest impact on your credit score. Upwards of about a third of the weight of your score is determined by your payment history. Next is going to be types of credit. Having a mix of credit can be a good thing, i.e. a couple credit cards, car payment, student loan, a new mortgage. That mix will help you as well. Number three, credit history. Now I know when we're younger, this can be a challenge, but the longer time that you've got credit card or these trade lines open and in existence, the better for you. Now here's a credit card hack around that. Have your parents put you on as an authorized user when you're a teenager, or you parents that are watching this, put your kids on there as an authorized user on your biggest, baddest, highest limit, oldest credit card, and you'll help them start to build credit. Next, inquiries. You want to minimize the number of inquiries. Now, when you're shopping for a mortgage, you can have multiple inquiries within a 30-day period, and the algorithm's going to treat it as one. You're not going to get penalized for shopping around for a mortgage. What the algorithm is looking for and does not like is when you apply for a mortgage today, next month it's a car, month after that it's insurance, then you want to buy a jet ski. Like, having different types of inquiries is just demonstrating that you're not being financially responsible and you're trying to utilize too much in different types of credit at times. Making sure that you check your credit regularly. You can use things like a Credit Karma or freecreditscore.com. You want to check your credit report, do a soft inquiry. It's not going to ding your credit scores, but you want to review that on an annual or semi-annual basis and make sure that there's no errors. Just think about it. At the end of the day, what's on your credit report is one, ultimately your responsibility, but two, it's human data entry. People make mistakes, but it's your credit that is impacted if someone screws up. So you want to monitor your own credit. Ultimately, you're responsible for that. Utilization. Let's say you got a $10,000 limit on your credit card. Don't max that puppy out. And tip, the algorithm looks at over 50% as maxed. Really, the threshold you want to be under is 30%. So utilization across that revolving credit, and then utilization across all of your accounts. Something else I see, which is just really frustrating, but we're never taught this stuff. You do not need a credit card for every department store that you shop at or go to. Just because you're in line at Target and they're like, we're gonna give you 50 bucks off, don't get the credit card. And here's why. When you sign up for those department store cards, one, it's a brand new trade line. The algorithm does not like that. Two, they typically give you these really low limits. And three, they typically max them out. So you're in there trying to spend $300-400 and they're like, we'll take 50 off. They give you a $500 limit. You've got a brand new trade line maxed out. Ding and ding. This was a lot of good information about credit scores and tips. If this was valuable, subscribe, share this. Let's get this information out to folks, and let me know what else you'd like to learn about as we continue to move forward making videos like this.